Hey guys, this is Ian and welcome back to Dragon Ball NZ. As you can probably guess, this is a Doom themed box opening here. So if you've seen one of my older videos, you would have seen I opened the collector's edition of Doom Eternal, which came out earlier this year, which came with this awesome Doom Slayer helmet and the steel case. Now I actually bought the collector's edition of Doom, which came out in 2016, which came with this awesome Revenant statue here, which also has a light and fan. I didn't have the channel back then, so I didn't do a video for that opening. Now the guys at the amazing team at the Australia-New Zealand Doom team have gone ahead and hooked me up with this awesome package here. So the first item here, we've got this awesome Doom Eternal t-shirt. So I'll go ahead and open it. How awesome is that? Doom Eternal. And look at that. Hashtag raise hell. That is awesome. And then it's got the Bethesda on the sleeve there. So that's awesome. Thank you so much for that, Doom guys. And then we've got this other t-shirt in red. Wow, that's wicked. Look at that. Doom Eternal. It's got the Bethesda logo with that as well. Now, if you haven't played Doom or Doom Eternal, or if you've played the first one, you definitely need to get on to playing the second one. It's such a good game, and they've just released a new expansion, The Ancient Gods Part 1. And then finally, the last thing they sent me was this awesome Doom Eternal Crucible Collector's Set, which comes with this Crucible blade. Yeah, 10-inch light up Crucible blade replica, a 1.5-inch Slayer spinner pin, and a 5x7 lithograph print. And that's just awesome. And I can't thank them enough. These guys, they just went ahead and he's sent it out to me, so I really appreciate that. Now I'm assuming it runs on batteries. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up so we can take a proper look at it. So that's the lithograph there. So that's awesome. Okay, and here we have it. Wow, that is so cool. So I want to carefully, so that's it there. How wicked is that? Okay. Yeah, I just tried turning it on. Yeah, so I'll need to get some batteries at some stage. Yeah. But that is so cool. And then we've got this pin. Doom Eternal. Love it. So that's it there anyway, so really awesome. So yeah, thanks for the team at Doom Australia and New Zealand. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time.